Hello, and in this short video we're going to show you how you can spell check every single worksheet in a workbook. Hopefully you realize that in Excel itself it has a spell checker. So on this particular worksheet I'm going to select the Review tab, then on the left hand side Spelling. It's going to say, do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? Yes. Then it's going to look through your words, select a suggestion and hit Change if it's the correct one. And it says spell check complete, you're good to go. But there's a problem. Okay, if you look at the very top, for me on row 1, column A, start is spelled incorrectly, and I think even my update bosses in column F is spelled correctly. I'm a big fan of using capitals in a lot of my work. So I need Excel to include those capitals. To do that, File, Options, Proofing, and for me, I'm going to uncheck Ignore words in uppercase, then press OK. Now, again, you can go File and Review, or just float your mouse over the spelling there, and you'll see in the parentheses F7, that's the keyboard shortcut for spelling. Press that, and off we go. Select the correct version of bosses. It's going to go, do you want to check at the beginning of the sheet? Because my active cell was not A1, it was actually F8. Press yes, and start. There we go, include that. Lovely. Now, spell check complete, you are good to go. I am on that worksheet, but I need to include all of my other worksheets. So if you look down the bottom here, I've got Report, Engine, Admin, and Lists. The way we can check all the worksheets in one go, any of the worksheets, right click, select All Sheets. Then it's as simple as F7 or Review and Spelling. So I've unfortunately misspelled admin, change that one. The word is, I'm spelled incorrectly, change that one. Spell check, good to go. And then there is one final important step. Come back to any of the worksheet tabs, right click, ungroup sheets. And then from here, for me, I would always Control and S, save my work as I go along. That is how you spell check all open worksheets in your workbook. Thanks for watching.